Hi everyone, it is Kato. As you already know, I was participated in the Under the Sea Dolls fair. In this video, I will open the box which I got from my secret partner. The first thing what I see is a cute letter from my partner, who is Kai from My Mini Moon. Beside of the doll, I got sweets and a mini resource pack which helped me to stay creative. I wanted something jellyfish inspired, so I am curious what my partner has created for me. Here she is! Wow, look at her! She is so beautiful! She is wearing a beautiful head decoration. Her face up is perfect. She has sea blue eyes. Her dress is also blue and it is decorated with shells and stars. Her shoes are also handmade by the artist. Do you see? She is looking like a jellyfish. I am so lucky to get this beautiful doll. If you want to see how this doll was made, please visit My Mini Moon's YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!